I just got banned from Sally Beauty, and damn, they should have just taken my money. When you spend tens of thousands of dollars every week on online retailers, this is gonna happen eventually. Some websites are going to ban you way faster than others, some are gonna be more lenient. Am I going to stop online arbitrage for that reason?
I'm not fucking leaving!
We got beef with Sally Beauty now. I'm going to save this whack company from bankruptcy by showing you guys how I am going to order humongous amount of inventory from sallybeauty.com without getting banned. And even if I get banned, I have an infinity of backup plans. Let's go. If you get banned from online retailers, it means that they flagged you as a reseller. How does that happen, you may ask? You either placed a too large order of the same product, got your delivery or billing address to a commercial address, placed order for products that are commonly resold, or placed too many orders in a short amount of time. It may not be one of those things, but it can be a combination of all those things. And when you get banned, your name, address, credit card numbers are probably going to be blacklisted from those online retailers. So it's going to be super hard to replace an order with the same information. So how do you solve this? So you're gonna need at least multiple address and multiple credit cards. It will also allow you to avoid getting banned in the first place because you can split the load in between multiple accounts that cannot get linked one with the other. You may also want to use a VPN or proxies. We're not gonna get into that because I never had to do this, to be honest. But it may be the case for some retailers, I don't know, and it may help you if you actually place a lot of orders, you have a lot of capital. I am not at that point yet. And this is not tech support, so I'm not gonna show you how to use a VPN or proxies. So let's start with how to get multiple address. So pretty easy, you can either use your friends, families, and ask them if you can actually get orders shipped to their house. You can give them a little something, but most of your friends, if you have little friends, will let you get deliveries at their address without no problem. If that is not an option for you, just get the mailbox at something like UPS. UPS is a good option because you have an actually real address. It's not a PO box, it's not a commercial address, but it's actually a residential address. You can also use a prep center, once again, to split the load in between your address. To be honest, the possibilities are really endless. There's tons of ways to get other address. You can also use your neighbors, of course. So to be honest, you're not gonna need that many address. So I've been just fine using my personal address. It's really the first time that the website banned me, like really banned me for a reselling purpose. Like if you're smart, you're not ordering from the same websites every day and you try to keep a low profile. I've never had any real problem except with Sally Beauty, but I'm still gonna get an address at UPS. I'm working on that right now to split the load, but also just to get all my documents, like all my business documents, so I do not have, you know, if I move and stuff. So this is gonna be my company's address. I don't have to have my personal address as my company address. No, for the credit cards, I know people that use virtual credit cards, so you can use that. You can use privacy.com for that. Capital One no. So what they're gonna do is you're gonna enter your card information and they're gonna give you a one-time card that you can use on the website, and it's gonna charge your actual credit card. For privacy.com, it's gonna be directly from your bank account. It's a good thing, that way you switch credit cards. Personally, I've never used virtual credit cards, maybe once or twice. This is not what I do. What I do is I create authorized user for all my credit cards, all the credit cards that I use for sourcing. Bank of America lets you do it for free. Citibank lets you do it for free. And Capital One lets you do it for free. So I use mainly credit cards from those three companies, and what I do is I either create an authorized user with my middle name or with my company name, and I keep them all inside this folder, and I use this folder when I place my orders. For the IP address, I told you this is not tech support here, but you can use IP Burger if you want proxies, or you can use CyberGhost, NordVPN, iVPN, all those VPNs if you want to switch your proxy. But with VPNs, those proxies may already have been abused and may be blacklisted on some website. So proxies would be the best way to do it. Yeah, check IP Burger, they have residential proxies. I've never used them. This is not sponsored by them. I mean, if you don't want to pay me, I'll take the money. Yeah, that's how you would do it with proxies. So this is how you would avoid order cancellation and how you would circumvent it. If you needed it, if you actually got an account banned, at least this is what I'm gonna do. I'll keep you updated if I have other strategies and stuff. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.